So these are the Loxbox hair pieces. Both C and I are wearing one.
Oh, I'll show you back mine.
Oh yeah, I love that colour.
I'm changing the look up again. I've taken half of the hair extensions out that I don't need anymore. Then I'm going to be popping the other half up so I can put a high ponytail in. I'm just gathering all of my hair up. So I'm going to put all of my own hair into the ponytail and then wrap the hairpiece around it. I'm just getting rid of all of these blonde bits so I can have more of a brunette look. I'm just using a small bristle brush to gather all of the hair and make sure I'm smoothing it down. When you get your extensions, they come in one of these amazing high-end boxes. You have your instructions, it's all wrapped up in tissue paper, which means you can keep your extensions nice and safe and silky all of the time. These ponytail pieces are really simple to use. I've already prepped my hair and made sure I've got in a high ponytail. All you need to do is make sure this comb goes right at the top. So you just pop it in like this. And then there's a separated piece of hair that's going to act as a bobble to hide the Velcro. So what you need to do is get it underneath and make sure you wrap it around tightly. There we go, it's as easy as that to pop the ponytail in. It's added volume, length and thickness. So now all I need to do is smooth the sides of my fluffy hairs, and then I've got to curl this so it blends into the waves. So I'll see you back in a minute. I've just done the last curl. Now all that's left to do is gently brush it from the top, just so it blends in nicely with the rest of the hairstyle. Look how beautiful that looks. It is absolutely amazing. I never normally think I suit these kind of updos, but because I've got these hair pieces, I feel like I'm going to be trying a lot more new hairstyles. I actually adore this hairstyle. I can't wait to show this new hair off.